In this video you'll learn how to officially record your agreement or disagreement to the member response code 3F found under member responses. The 3F code reads Unmarked marking delay requested by locate technician and agreed to by excavator per agreement. Visit my.sunshine811.com and click the Check Responses box. You will be directed to the EXACTIX login page. Enter your username and password and click the Sign In link. Once at the EXACTIX home page, click Go to Ticket Dashboard. Enter your ticket number in the Filter by Ticket Number field or filter the results on your dashboard. When the ticket is displayed, click the three-dot menu and choose View Responses. A box with the utilities notified along with the responses will open. Under Discussions, you'll see a link that says Add Marking Delay Response next to any member that has responded with 3F Unmarked. You can officially record your agreement or disagreement by choosing the option Agree or Disagree. Click the Add Marking Delay Response link. Use the drop-down arrow to select Agree or Disagree. Once your selection has been made, click on Save. The response will show under Discussions.